Alright guys, we're pulling up to do a car meet. It looks like it's going to be a bunch of trucks and everything. We'll show you when we get there. We're heading there right now and everything. But we're still working on a YouTube channel right now and everything. We'll keep you guys more updated and everything as we get it posted up and everything. But we're heading to Visalia, California, Plaza Park. It's over there by, if anybody's around in Cali or anything, or around 559 area code. That's what it's doing that right now. They're doing a actual show for a reward. Who got the best trucks or something. It looks like got to be a lot of nice trucks and everything. So let's see when we get there. Jeez. Oh yeah, Alright guys, we're on a different phone. His phone died right now. We were doing a fisheye, but we're gonna use my phone right now. And he got a Galaxy. But we're gonna use my phone right now. Show you guys what's all about here still.
Talking to me like you wanted to stay. When they come back around and you still trying to play. Ca